G'day, this is the Stumpy from Revolution Manufacturing. It's a mirror extension for your 70 Series Landcruiser. So this is a 90mm extension to help you for towing. Comes with a bolt, the extension bolt. Tools that you need, 12mm spanner, 4mm Allen key, and a Phillips head screwdriver, number 1 or 2. So we just take the plastic cover off. .12mm spanner on top. So now you can lift the mirror off. It's really important that from here on you hold the mirror with the mount face down, because there's an internal mirror nut that looks like this. It's sitting inside the mirror, and if you tilt that any way, it'll slip out and become loose inside the mirror, and then you'll have to take the mirror apart and the glass off the front to get to it. So keep it down. I like to just place it against the seat when I'm not holding on to it. Otherwise, my hands go places I'm not expecting them to go. And we reuse, take out the OEM bolt, put on yours. There's a little dome washer in here that you need to put on as well. Put on the, oops, that's not a good example. Put on the mirror extension, and then also it's easier to assemble if you put the Allen key, 4mm Allen key in before you grab this again, keeping it down, line it up. As soon as it bites, that internal mirror nut's not going to fall out now. So you don't have to be as careful. Start tightening that up. After you've taken it up, it takes about 7 full turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that spring is nearly fully compressed. You're starting to get some tension. Don't want too much. It's ready to put back on. And again, nearly until it's compressed. It doesn't need to go all the way. Yeah, cover. And that's done, ready to go. Thanks for watching.